Alright, guys, so in this episode, let's just turn up my volume, sorry. In this episode, we're going to be going over an enemy. We're going to make an enemy, we're going to put a script on him, and then in the next episode, we're going to make a raycast to actually hit that enemy and kill him. So for now, we're actually in our game right here. I'm just going to make a new, it's like a capsule. For now, this is going to be our enemy. He's just going to be a simple... Oh, let me move my mic closer. He's just a simple little enemy right here. He's just going to be like this. And eventually, I'll actually show you how to make a script that makes him want to follow you. Probably should write that down so I remember to do that. But yeah. So we have a little guy right here. And he's our enemy. But now we have to make a script for him. So I am going to put a... inside scripts. Why are these in scripts? I do not know. But we're going to create a new JavaScript. We're going to call this enemy script. And we are going to open this up. And hopefully it opens up in monoscript. There we go. Let it open. Is it going to open? Okay, looks like it did not. Okay, there it goes. So yeah, we're gonna have the next 2 episodes over this. Exit out both of those. Oops, no. Open that up. Okay, so as you can see, we have our script here. We're gonna get rid of all of this. Actually, we don't need any of this. So we're gonna make a variable. I'm gonna call this enemy health, and this is going to be an integer. And let's say he has 50 health right now. Next thing you do is make a function. I'm gonna call this deduct points, because we actually use this raycast for later. So we're gonna do deduct points. Hit points is going to be an integer, and what this is gonna do is gonna say well, I'll explain this when we do the raycast. But basically, every time you hit, the raycast is gonna say it hit, and it's gonna say you hit this, so now use deduct points. And deduct points is saying we're gonna be taking hit points, and so the raycast is gonna say, okay, take away hit points. So now in here we are going to write enemy health minus equals hit points. So basically we're going to be minusing enemy health by hit points. So our characters say you're going to have 10 hit points, so every time you hit it, it's going to deduct 10 from the enemy points, or the enemy health. Semicolon. That's all we need to do in that function. And we need one more function. We need function update. Hopefully I wrote it, like I'm writing stuff differently now. And we're making an if statement in here. So if the enemy health is less than or equal to 0, so if the enemy is basically dead, then we're going to destroy the game object. So but in this case, it's just the capsule. We're going to save this. That looks about good to me. And we're going to put the enemy script onto the capsule. So now it has the capsule. So now when this gets attacked, it will die. But we do not currently have it set up for that. So I'll be back in the next episode with how to actually set up the Raycaster. So yeah, thanks for watching.